Namaste. Greetings to all of you. Wishing you a very good morning. We'll go to Sutra number 3 under the subtopic of Principle of Transcendence. Like quality energy attracts like quality energy. Loving kindness attracts loving kindness. Anger and hatred attracts anger and hatred. Yesterday, in the sutra yesterday, the key the teacher said as a warning not to react. Now, that was what we should not do. And then we said, instead of reacting, you think about it before you do something, right? Then he gives, while you're thinking, this sutra will help you. While you're processing, what should I do right now? Then the solution is here. Like quality energy attracts like quality energy. Okay, loving kindness example he gives. Loving kindness attracts loving kindness. Anger and hatred attracts anger and hatred. You might have seen this in many shops. You know, when the owner of the shop is aggressive, angry, somehow the people going into that particular shop will get into entanglement very easily with this person. But if the shop owner is loving, kind, merciful, if you look at it, these arrogant people who have a tendency to pick up argument or fight, they also come down there. They also tend to vibrate to the frequency of the owner's energy. So these aggressive people also tone down and they tend to behave in a loving and kind manner. The question is why? Because the owner's frequency is vibrating to the frequency of kindness and love. So the customer, even if the person is irritable, that irritable energy cannot stand in front of that loving and kind energy of the owner there. So they tend to vibrate to that frequency. The reactive energy is stopped. So in the process, that whole place where they do the transaction goes very smooth. The day is fantastic. It starts nice and ends nice. The sutra is very, very useful. The sutra, you can connect it to the first sutra where the teacher talks about you transcend spiritually. How do you transcend spiritually? The idea is to understand like quality energy attract like quality energy. So sometimes you may say, I'm not angry, right? Your choice of words are kinder. You're talking in a nice manner. You're seemingly projecting polite words, but internally you still have anger and hatred. Think about the situation. Internally, you may have anger and hatred, but when you're talking in front of the customer or the person, you are suppressing that anger and hatred, but you're trying to put words through your mouth in a very nice, soft manner. Even then it does not work, because even your words coming out as kind and soft, the energy, which is your thoughts and emotions, are filled with hatred and anger. So the words of love will have this energy of hatred and irritation, so the person may not trust you. They hear nice words, but somehow they feel you can be a manipulative or a scheming person, because the way you say this sounds nice, but energetically it does not prove that you're using kind words, because people, when they're sensitive, they get hit by this anger and hatred energies. This would harm people. When you're handling children, the sutra can be a good reminder. The example I've given will be a great reminder for you. Your anger and hatred, when it is inside your system, but even when you're seemingly talking nicely to your children, you will transfer this energy of hatred and anger which you have inside, because like qualities attract like qualities. Think about it before you decide what you have to do in a difficult life situation. The sutra will be a very good reminder to start the day. Namaste. Good luck to all of you. Wishing you a great day ahead.